Today we're going to try our golf club polish cleaning kit. Get one polish, one brush, and one cloth. Instructions. Squeeze the golf club polish directly onto the surface of the golf club or club head. Make sure to apply an adequate amount to cover the area that needs cleaning. Grab a brush and gently but firmly brush the club, focusing on removing any rust, stains, grass, sand, and other accumulated dirt. Please the grooves and crevices. Wipe with dry cloth. After brushing, take a clean dry cloth. Wipe the surface of the golf club thoroughly. This will not only remove any remaining polish and loosened dirt, but also help in polishing the club, giving it a shiny and smooth finish. Okay. Nice. You can carry this with you on the golf course, or if you have a lot of clubs to polish, you can put it on your belt loop. There you go. Got a sharp pick, a metal brush, and a plastic brush. And then this is clubs before. I doubt they have ever been polished. We got the #1 wood driver and the putter. They look pretty bad. So, all right, let's polish. Got some rust here, we're gonna work on that. Well, the club head doesn't look too much different, but it did take some of the rust off. You can see where I stopped. I did this part and then stopped here, but this club has been neglected for too long. So I'm gonna keep going and try to get rid of all of that rust all the way up the club. Still a little bit here and there, but for the most part, it's very shiny. Got some there. I mean, you can't just take rust away if it's been neglected. A lot of that surface rust is taken off. So don't neglect your clubs. Keep them clean. It does a pretty good job. It is messy. Make sure you put something down and don't get it all over you. If your clubs are neglected, it's not going to do as good of a job. Then I'm going to put this back in here and go rinse it out in a little bit. That's the golf club polish kit.